More than 6,000 people are known to have died, and thousands more are missing after devastating floods swept through the Libyan port city of Derna.
It was a storm of biblical proportions. First, the rain hammered down, and then the floods came with it. Storm Daniel was unforgiving, picking apart the vulnerabilities of a nation already fragile from more than a decade of conflict and political instability, leaving cars helplessly bobbing in the current. And people left to do the same. In the eastern city of Derna, there was no dry ground in sight. 8 months' worth of rain fell in a single day. And the collapse of 2 dams unleashed a relentless wall of water that dragged entire neighbourhoods out to sea. Around 5,300 people have died and 10,000 are missing. Turkey has sent aid and 150 rescue personnel to Libya, while the US, Germany, Iran, Italy and Qatar have also pledged support. But it's now feared that past neglect and conflict could create future misery for the broken nation, as attention now turns to its slow recovery and the harsh reality of what could soon become a humanitarian crisis.